Don't touch that dial. Stay with us for a while. For a smile, for a song, you just can't go wrong, for there's lots to be found as the records go round on the Allan Michaels Show. And a kind of a pert and pretty, and a pretty chilly Friday, Jan the something or other, 1956 AD. Our calendar isn't handy right here. But our music is. We've got records and transcriptions, round and square, old and new, good and bad, here on the Allan Michaels Show for the next 4 hours, right around the clock until 2 this afternoon. And though we're as common as all can be, we've got a little bit of sophistication here with Les Elgart. Sophisticated swing.